Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Driving to go for a morning walk. So the place where I'm going, it's around a golf course here in San Diego, California. It's about 6 a.m. But I came on to Billionaires Club 101 to just share some information with the audience that are viewing the video, but also those who are subscribed to my YouTube channel. One of the things that I do outside of being a realtor, I do business funding. Some people may not be aware of the term business funding. They may be, or what's synonymous with business funding is business loans. Now, this is for businesses that are needing some funds to. So the businesses are already established. You must at least be in business for 3 months or greater. Your personal credit score as a business owner must be at least 450. I believe it's 450 on one of the funding sides. So we have two sources of fundings. Now, one of the fundings that we have are business loans. So those are synonymous. But one of the loans are up to $25,000. And if you apply and have that in before 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I believe, before 5 o'clock. So on the West Coast is, I believe, at 3 o'clock. If you're able to get all your information in as required on the online application, you can get up to $25,000 the same day, and you can use it as you choose. But of course, it's reflecting upon what your business is currently doing. So if you're a business that are having some success, you're making a minimum of, I think, $5,000 monthly. Okay, at least $5,000. Your business's transactions are monthly. Then you can be approved up to $25,000. Now, on the other funding we have, you can get up to $1 million, and your business must be at least established for at least 4 months. Your personal credit score must be at least 500. Okay, so your personal credit score must be 500. And with both of the business funding, the business have to have its own business bank account. It can't be your personal checking and savings account. It has to be a bank account in the business name, because one of the criteria is the funds does not come into you in a check. It becomes direct deposit into your account. So on the online application, as you fill out the application online, it is a secured website. Business funding has been around. Our business funding has been around for the past 15 years. But also, when you're doing your online application with the business funding, it's going to ask you it's going to have a link where you're going to be putting your bank information. Now, that bank information is required because that's how the direct deposit works. So once you're approved, that money is now entered in your bank. So now, if you're approved for the $1 million, your business has to be showing. You have to show some proof of earnings. It's not a stated income format where you're saying that you make $100,000 every other week, and in fact, you're only making about $10,000 a month. So this is the online application is very specific. So when you're creating your online application, or when you're completing your online application, be clear and be truthful of what your business is currently doing, and then of course our underwriters will find the best terms and conditions as far as the business loans for you. Now, once you're approved for the business loan, you will be submitted an offer of what amount you've been approved for. So you're not obligated to take the business loan once you're approved, but it will show you how much you're approved for. And if you accept those terms and conditions, it tells you about repayment, and then it also tells you how much you're qualified for and all that good stuff. And then another good thing about this business loans, once you pay it down, you are qualified to renew that business loan and get another business loan based off of your good standings with that company and getting your business funded. Okay, so now remember, business loans and business funding is synonymous with each other in this video. So this is not for new startups. This is for businesses at least have on the lower business funding side, it's up to $25,000, and then for the higher approval amount, from $25,000 to $1 million, you have to be established for at least 4 months. Personal credit score must be 500, and then also there's some certain criteria of how much your business must be making to qualify for that. Okay. Another thing that we do is point of sale systems. If you're a business and you accept debit, credit cards, EBT cards, things of that nature, we're able to save you on your payment processing. Up to 95% of fees that we can save you on. In the description box below, I'm going to put a link in the description box, and you can click on there. You can take a look at your savings as point of sales systems that we offer. Anything that's on the market, we have an updated version of that. We also have great customer service. It's all about customer service when we come to those systems. And then also, if you're a business that offers like a product or a service, and you're looking to allow your clients to use financing, we have access where you can offer financing to your clients without no recourse to you. So say example, you're a furniture store. This is just an example. You're in a furniture store business, and someone will want to purchase a house set, a bed set, kitchen, accessories, living room set, and it costs a certain amount of money. But now that client may not have the funds to do that. But now you have a portal where they can sign up for financing. And once they're approved, you get paid, and then the client will pay the finance company the amount that is due on a monthly payment plan. Now, if they default, that has no harm and effect on you as far as what you receive, because you're going to receive the full amount of payment. Now, the client is on the hook with the finance company to repay. And we also have that where we can set your company up to offer in-house financing, but it also comes with training. So, of course, you can get more sales by offering that financing, okay? So remember, in the description box below, there's going to be a link for that. And then also, you can go to the website, Best, B as in boy, E, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, Best, Rate, R-A-T-E, Best Rate Funds, funds plural, F-U-N, N as in Nancy, D-S, D as in dog, S as in Sam.com. So bestratefunds.com is the website for all your business funding, business loans, equipment financing, and then if you need some telecom services, we do offer that as well. So we are your one-stop shop for your business to succeed, okay? So thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. If you are not a subscriber to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.